In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn simple typography into eye-catching t-shirt artwork using silhouettes, texture, and clean layout tricks. Let's jump right into the design. We will start with the main word. Right-click. Convert to curve. Select Shape tool, click and drag a selection box from beyond the final letter back toward the P to grab all the nodes. Drag it to the left until it snaps to the X. Using the Smart Fill tool, click the gap to add a shape. Stretch it to intersect with the X. Now select both and weld. With Shape tool, extend the letter P. We need to zoom in on this area to fix a small error in the shape. Add outline and remove fill color. Zoom out. Draw a rectangle here. Select both and weld. Right-click, break curve apart. Drag a marquee to select inner curves. Delete. Select Shape tool. Select these nodes and delete this one also. Drag this node to snap with this one. That little arrow means they'll join together. Delete this one. Let's do a quick test. Fill with color. Perfect. The solid fill means our shape is correctly closed with no open breaks. Now select all. Combine. Fill with black. Zoom in. Extend this a little. With rectangle tool, draw a rectangle from left to right edge. Move down. Reduce height. Create a copy downward. Reduce the height more. With blend tool, blend them together. Reduce steps to 4. Modify it as you want. Right-click, break blend apart, select all. Ungroup. Move it up a bit. Select all and weld. Select Contour tool and create inner contour. Reduce distance. Right-click, break contour apart. With 2-point line tool, draw a horizontal line crossing last for letters. Move it up a bit. With Smart Fill tool, fill the bottom part under the line. Delete the line and the contour. Draw a rectangle around the design. Right-click, order, to back. Fill the word with white. Remove outline. Select the rectangle and fill with black. Right-click, lock. Select these shapes. Remove outline. Fill with black. Now we will work with the image. With crop tool, crop this part of the image. Go to Effect, Adjust, Image Adjustment Lab. Reduce the brightness to create a black tree silhouette on a white background. With Shape tool, double-click here to add a nod. Move this one to left to remove this part. Go to Bitmap. Convert to bitmap. Press OK. Right-click, Outline Trace. Low-quality image. In the Remove section, first set the option to specify. Then use the color eyedropper to click on a white area in the image. Finally, from the Remove drop-down, choose Color from entire image. Change detail to near 90. Press OK. Move aside. Delete the image. Change color to orange. Now move over the bottom part of the text. Select these two shapes and combine together. Now make a copy. Right-click, power clip inside, click over the combined shape, move to select a part to power clip it in the next shape. Duplicate it to the side. Now power clip this one. Repeat for the last shape. Select all and remove outline. Now position the silhouette to appear as if it's walking across the letters. Finally, move the second part and change color to orange. Position it under the main word. With Shape tool, modify the letter E. And that's it. You now know how to turn simple text into sellable t-shirt art.